Welcome to today's workshop, which is about drums in detail. I think it's really important to also hear what's going on with different tunings and different kinds of damping. So let's take a closer look at what's up next.
That's a classic jazz bass drum.
And we have our pop rock bass drum. Let's go on with the round tables that we have here, the cymbals and the hi-hat. Start with the hi-hat first. Give us some sound examples, please. We can see that there's some motion and some movement, so you can use the hi-hat machine to have the hi-hat bottom and the hi-hat top moving.
That's some dampening again. That's like silicon, and we can place it on the drum head.
So we'll start close to the edge. More straight and more direct sound.